In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract report from Zoho CRM with description. In this tutorial, you will create a report and make sure it includes a clear description so anyone reading the report later can understand what it represents. First, click Reports. You can find it either in the top menu or in the left side menu depending on how your Zoho CRM layout is set up. Go ahead and open that area now. This step is important because it takes you to the section where all report templates and report creation options live. Next, click Create Report in the top right corner. Take a moment to look for the button that says Create Report. When you select it, Zoho CRM prepares a new report setup screen. This is where you start building the report from scratch, rather than modifying an existing one. Now, you will select the primary module and click Continue. The primary module is essentially the main type of record your report will pull from, such as deals, leads, or another core module. Choose the module that matches the information you want to extract, then click Continue. This matters because the report columns and available data are based on the module you choose. After that, click Continue again. This second Continue is shown as a blue button in the top right area. Click it to proceed to the Report Builder screen. At this point, Zoho CRM moves you from selecting the module into configuring the report details, including which fields appear in the report. Next, you will click Columns in the left panel. Look to the left side of the screen for the word Columns and select it. The Columns area is where you control which fields are included in your report output. This helps ensure your report contains exactly what you need, including the field that will hold the description. Once you are in the Columns panel, type Description in the search box, then check its box. As you type, the interface should narrow the list of available fields, making it easier to find the one you want. When you see the Description option, select it by checking the box. This step is the key part that ensures the description field will be included in the final report results. Now, click Save in the top right. This saves the column selection you just made. Even though it may feel like a small action, saving here is important because it locks in the columns before you finalize the rest of the report setup. After saving, you will enter the report name and description. The report name is what you will see in your report list later, so choose a clear name that reflects what the report is for. The description is separate and helps explain the purpose or context of the report. Keep the wording straightforward, so it is easy to understand quickly when you or someone else opens it later. Finally, select the folder where you want to store the report, and then click Save again. The folder selection is useful for keeping your reports organized, especially if you have multiple teams or multiple report types. After you click Save the second time, Zoho CRM finalizes the report and prepares it based on the columns and description you configured. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.